Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Bluetooth not available on your MacBook. If Bluetooth is missing, grayed out, or not turning on, follow these simple steps to restore it. First, start with a quick reset. Click the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar or go to System Settings and open Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the connection and often brings Bluetooth back instantly. Next, disconnect all external devices. Go to System Settings, then Bluetooth, and remove or disconnect all paired devices like headphones, keyboards, or mice. After that, restart your Mac. Once it powers back on, reconnect your devices and check if Bluetooth is working again. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. If Bluetooth is still not available, reset the system Bluetooth process. Open Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus space, type Terminal, and open it. Then carefully enter the following command: sudo pkill Bluetooth D. Press Enter, type your Mac password, and press Enter again. This will restart the Bluetooth service and often fixes missing Bluetooth issues immediately. Finally, make sure your macOS is updated. Go to System Settings, then General, and select Software Update. Installing updates can fix Bluetooth driver bugs and system-level issues. And that's it. Your MacBook Bluetooth should now be available and working normally again.